Hi, this is Mrs. Clark, and we are learning how to do the partial products algorithm for multi-digit multiplication. Partial products just means that you are taking the numbers, splitting them into parts, and then you're multiplying. So remember that the 52 is on the same team, so we're going to split it up, but it's only going to multiply against the other team. The 5 and the 2 will never multiply against each other. But we'll do 50 times 30 and 50 times 4 and 2 times 30 and 2 times 4. And this 34 is also on the same team. So we're going to split it into parts, but the 3 and the 4 will not multiply against each other. We're going to start by using these boxes. We are going to split each number into expanded form. The 52 in expanded form is 50 plus 2. 5 is the 50 because it's in the tens place, and then 2, 52. And then we'll take our other team and put it down here. The 3 is really a 30, and the 4 is a 4, so here's 34. Now we've split it into parts, and we're just going to go one part at a time. We're going to start with this 50, and the 50 is going to multiply against both members of the other team. In other words, we'll do 50 times 30 and 50 times 4. Then you're done with the 50. It only has to do 2 battles because there's only 2 members of the other team. So 50 times 30, 50 times 4. As you go, you're going to write down what you get. So we'll start with 50 times 30. 50 times 30, you're just going to ignore the zeros and do 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. And then you're going to stick 0, 0 back in. Therefore, 50 times 30 is 1,500 or 1,500. All right, so we did 50 times 30, that's this, and now we're going to come across here and do 50 times 4. So we'll ignore the 0 and just do 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20, and then we'll put this 0 back in. Therefore, 50 times 4 is 200. Now we're finished with the 50. So it came and it did 50 times 30 and 50 times 4, and now you're done with it. And now we're just going to do the 2. So same thing, we'll do 2 times 30 and 2 times 4. 2 times 30 and 2 times 4. 2 times 30, you're going to do 2 times 3, which is 6, and then stick a 0 on the end. 2 times 4, you're going to do 8. And then finally, we're just going to add all of that up. So the 50 multiplied against each, and the 2 multiplied against each. So everything is multiplied against each other. Okay, so adding, starting on the right. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8. 0 plus 0 plus 6. 5 plus 2. And 1 plus nothing. So we got 1,768. So if you want more practice, you can watch the rest of these videos. They're all in a playlist, and you can keep practicing. And if you want to get a copy of these worksheets, click on the description below and you'll get all 36 questions. Have a great day.